Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your HUAWEI Mate 10 Lite, for the first you have to go for your recorder, and you can find it probably in the tools. And yes, here it is. So click on the sound recorder, and right now we have to tap on this button to start the record. And as you can see, the smartphone start recording sounds. We can just finish it right now and check how it sounds, and it will be here in the records. So let's play it. And there's the quality of this record. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.